like 19, I want to say like 1958. There was a DC-3 that crashed up there. Delta DC-3. I want to say it was like flight 188. I've been up there a couple times. I'm going to take a friend up there the next couple of days. Hopefully get good video on that. I had video before, but that all got washed out. It's a nice climb. I wouldn't call it a hike, it's more of a climb. It's something straight up. It's worth every minute of it though. Oh boy. And my partner may have taken a dip. I lost her. She was down on that, hanging on that edge there for a little bit. She may have went down. That's a good 50 feet down there, easy. One slip and you're down. You don't get in the water, but you get in the mush, for sure. That's, oh, there's Placitas, New Mexico. And the clouds are probably over Santa Fe up there. You can usually see Santa Fe Baldy, but it's too cloudy right now. Oh man. Sure is nice out here. She showed up. There is an area over here where the sparrows, you can see them up there. The sparrows hang out. The mud-daubing sparrows, they make their nests up there. There's millions of them. There's only a few right now, but maybe they haven't shown up. And then there's bats. Right around this time, the bats start getting out. See a bunch of bats coming out too. They hang out in those sticks down there.